Okay, so this video has been requested of me for a while, and I've been pushing it back because I didn't know what to do. And it's a video of me speaking in Tagalog. Okay, so I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you some like Tagalog pickup lines, and that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, pickup line numero isa. Okay, Miss, alam mo ba na hindi tayo tao? Hindi tayo hayop. Um, bagay tayo. Bagay. um, Pickup line number 2. Edsa ka ba? Di kasi ako magpag-move on. I don't know what to say next. Alright. Pickup line number 3. Pustiso ka ba? Kasi I can't smile without you. Sorry, that was in English. Um, I don't know what else to say. Oh, okay. Here's another one. Crayola ka ba? Kasi nagbibigay ka ng kulay sa buhay ko. What am I on? Number 4? Alright, Alright. Mahilig ka ba magluto ng pancit canton? Kasi pag kasama kita, feeling ko, lucky me. Ew. I'm so corny. Alright, I don't know what else to say. Pwede ka ba makatabi pag may exam? Cause I feel perfect beside you. Alright, I'm done. Salamat and mahal ko kayong lahat.